What's up, guys? So I purchased a pair of sneakers, a pair of Jordan 1s from eBay. I have not purchased a pair of sneakers from eBay in quite a little bit. I used to love eBay back in the day because eBay used to be really good for sneakers, but as time's gone on, a lot more scammers, a lot of BS going on with eBay. But as of lately, I think it's gotten better, in my opinion. So I'm pretty excited to pick up this pair of shoes, to unbox this shoe. It did come in. I'm very, very hyped. I did pay an absolute steal for this shoe. I want you guys to drop a comment down below in the comments and let me know how much you think I paid for this pair of sneakers. At the end of your guess, leave your Instagram username, and whoever guesses it right, the first person to guess it right of how much I paid for this pair of sneakers, I'm gonna send you a completely free t-shirt. I do have the t-shirts actually for sale right now, so make sure you guys check that link down below in the description and purchase a tee. It is a fire Jordan 1 design. The word fire spell out with a bunch of Jordan 1s. If you purchase a tee, you will have a chance at a pair of Royal Toe Air Jordan 1s in your size. I'm going to be doing a giveaway for a pair the first week of August. As of right now, I'm going to be giving away one pair. If you guys run up those t-shirt sales, I'll be able to give away more pairs. Stay tuned. I'll be dropping a full video explaining everything very, very soon. I'm just waiting for the shirts to actually come in. It should be in the next day or two, so make sure you guys stay tuned for that. Go cop a tee down below. Make sure you guys hit that like button. Make sure you guys give me a follow on Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, all Danny Moore 2369. If we can get this video up to 500 likes in the first 24 hours, I'm gonna do a brand new sneaker giveaway here on the channel. Before we open up this box, I want to tell you guys how I was able to make this purchase and how you can actually make safe purchases on eBay as well. So now with eBay, if a seller is selling a pair of sneakers that's over $100, there's no seller fees. So you're gonna wind up getting some pretty good deals on eBay. You just need to be careful for, of course, fakes, and to make sure that you're actually going to get anything in the mail at all. As you guys can see, I did get a package, so we didn't get scammed. I am going to legit check this shoe as well in this video, so make sure you guys stay tuned. We'll make sure this pair is legit. I'll do a video upcoming to show you guys how I can legit check shoes, how I personally do it, some ways to look out for, things to look out for, things like that. So make sure you guys stay tuned for that. So as I was on eBay, I was looking for a pair of Jordan 1s. I was not sure which color. I had a few colors that I really did want in mind, and this is definitely one of them. Top grail for me. I absolutely love this Jordan 1. So on eBay, I put in some filters. These filters that I used to look for these shoes just make it so much easier. Instead of searching for thousands of pairs, I could search for maybe a few hundred pairs, 100, 200 pairs, and make it a lot easier and more of a more niched search for what I'm really looking for. So some tips that I have for you guys is, of course, the filters. The first filter I personally like to do is used, because I like to see the used shoes. You could put new, but of course with buying new, you're going to pay more money. With used, you're going to wind up getting a much better deal, and you can really save quite a bit of money purchasing used sneakers. I also, of course, put the size that I'm looking for, right? My personal size. I do have a size range, 10.5, 11, maybe 10, maybe 11.5. It really depends on how the shoe fits. Another filter I also did use is buy it now, because I did not want to wait. You can, of course, put bidding if you want to bid, if you want to risk it and wait and have to, sit at the computer and hope that you win with a bid. I didn't want to do any of that. I wanted to hit buy it now, and buy it now also means or best offer, meaning you can offer the seller less than what their ask is and usually get a really good deal that way, because if they're looking to sell the shoe fast and you offer, around the ballpark that they're looking for, odds are they're going to wind up taking your offer if they're looking to sell the shoe quick. So for example, if a seller has a pair of sneakers, a pair of Jordans up there for say $500 that are brand new and hit buy it now, well, you might be able to get them, or best offers up there, you might be able to get them for maybe $450, $475. Put in that offer. The worst that happens is they say no and they send you a counter offer, or they just decline altogether, and then you could submit another offer. At least offer, right guys? Because money talks. Now when you're looking through the listings, you're going to find a bunch of listings. You want to find the best pictures possible. If you don't have good pictures, or the seller didn't put up good pictures, you can always message them and ask for better pictures. When you get these better pictures, I highly recommend having them do tagged photos. So on a piece of paper, have them write their eBay username, the date, the time, things like that, so that they can include it in these new photos with the shoes, and you know exactly what they have in hand. Now once you find your listing, everything's good. The next thing you need to do is look at the seller feedback. I personally would stay away from anyone under 98, 99%. It has to be that high. You really want it that high because you don't want anything to go wrong. You don't want fakes. You don't want to get scammed in any way. Nothing bad to go wrong. So make sure that feedback is high. I would never purchase a pair of sneakers, especially an expensive pair of shoes, or for somebody that has 0, 1, anything like that feedback score. Make sure they have a good amount of sales, and also when they're looking at their feedback, make sure you check that they actually sold shoes and not just bought items, because eBay works both ways. You have to actually search within their feedback to look to see, you know, what was actually sold, if they sold anything, or if it was all just purchases. Now, when it comes to purchasing the sneakers, there's 2 ways you can really do it. You can purchase it directly on eBay, or you can do what's called a PayPal invoice. I can do a whole separate video talking about PayPal invoices, how not to get scammed, how to properly send and pay a PayPal invoice. If you guys want that video, drop a comment, hit that thumbs up, let me know. Just make sure that you stick to the transactions on eBay or PayPal. Do not do Cash App, Venmo, Zelle, none of that when purchasing on eBay. That's just a clear red flag and a clear scam. When you purchase the sneaker either through eBay, through PayPal invoice, you are protected as the buyer. The seller honestly has a greater chance of getting scammed than the buyer. So when you're buying shoes on eBay, you're pretty much safe. Just make sure that everything is good, everything's legit, and don't get scammed. Avoid getting scammed if possible. If the price is too good to be true, most of the time, 99% of the time, it really is too good to be true. You're not going to get a pair of off-white Chicago 1s for $500. It's not going to happen. So be realistic with the prices, but you know, you can also get really, really good deals and steals on eBay. So don't expect it too low, but expect it low, if that makes sense. You're going to find deals and steals, I promise. So these are some tips I have for you guys on how to buy sneakers on eBay, how not to get scammed, and this is exactly how I was able to purchase this pair of sneakers. So I hope these tips, I hope this is all useful for you guys. Let's jump into this sneaker unboxing from eBay. As you guys can see, unfortunately, the seller used the Just Do It tape, the Nike tape, which is so annoying that people ship with this tape. Nike, stop using this tape. And if you're selling shoes, this tape, man, take it off before you ship it out, because it's so obvious what's inside this box. Maybe that's just me being paranoid. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think about the Just Do It tape on the box. Just not into that, especially from Nike, but especially also when, you know, buying third party, they still use the tape. Ugh, I just hate that. Anyway, let's open these up finally. Let's get into this unboxing from eBay. Drop a comment. Let me know how much you guys think I paid. And once again, you can win a free t-shirt. So make sure you guys cop a tee as well. I can't wait to give away those Royal Air Jordan 1s. I'm having a trouble with this tape. As you guys can see, I'm having a little bit of trouble. There we go. Got this finally open, and let's take a look at this pair. I did open the box upside down because my label is on the other side. Get that out of here. And we do have a pair of Jordan 1s. We do have my size 11, so that's awesome. However, this is not the original box. It is a Jordan 1 box, but it's not the original box. Black Starfish Pale Vanilla. I believe that's the Shattered Backboard 3.0 colorway. This is not the Shattered Backboard 3.0. For the price, I really can't complain, but that does suck. It's not the original box. It is the original box, just not the box label. Still a Jordan 1 box, though. So I'm not sure if I'll be keeping these. I don't think I was going to keep them anyway. I'll probably just go ahead and sell them anyway, make some money on them, and bring you guys this video. So let's open these up. I'm very excited. Let's see. Hopefully we got a good pair. Hopefully they're real. Take off this lid. We do have... Oh, yeah, there they are. The Shadow Air Jordan 1s, baby. Woof! Oh, my. Woo! Okay, so these are dirty on the midsole. I definitely see some dirt going along the midsoles, on the upper a little bit here and there, creasing throughout. It looks like we have a little scuff right there on the back, but these are not. But overall, man, this is dope. I'm happy. We got some shadows. Wow. All right, so I'm gonna legit check these, make sure everything looks good. So far, they look good. They look really good in the pictures. That's why I pulled the trigger on them. You know, if I thought they looked fake, I definitely wouldn't have bought them, but they do look. Everything looks good. I'm going to do a full legit check right now to show you guys what I personally look for with them. There is some details. Start off with the Nike Air. That does look very good. Usually it would be, you know, up more on the Nike Air. The font would be different. It would be off. There's usually something wrong with the Nike Air, but it does look good there. Everything, the leather looks good. The stitching, everything looks good with the stitching. The shape overall looks very good. Toe box. Everything looks good, man. I'm looking at the Wings logo. That's definitely a thing to look out for, as well as the leather. I'm gonna take a black light to them. Go cop a black light. I'm telling you, it's honestly amazing. I'll do a full video explaining the black light and show you guys how to legit check shoes and everything. But yeah, man, these look good. Very good. There's no... Cool. Everything looks good, man. These are dope. Yeah. Very nice. Shadow Jordan 1s. Definitely a very wearable sneaker because they're black and gray with white midsole. You really can't go wrong with this colorway. They did a very nice job on this leather quality when this shoe did release. The 2013 pair is kind of trash leather, to be honest. This retro, they did a really good job. Really nice leather. I'm happy with these, man. I got them for an absolute steal. These have only skyrocketed in price, which, you know, is expected. It is an OG colorway, so it was expected over time. Very dope. I'm very happy to pick up the Shadow Air Jordan 1s. Like I said, I will not be keeping these because I do want to make some money on them. I got to pay off some debt, but these are very clean. You really can't go wrong with the Shadow Air Jordan 1. Let me know what you guys think about the Shadow Air Jordan 1s. Do you like the Shadows? Do you like the Breads or the Royals more? To me, those are like the three, the holy trinity of Jordan 1. These are absolutely fire. Can't go wrong. I'm very happy to pick these up for a steal. Make sure you guys leave a comment down below. Take a guess how much you think I paid. And if you guess correctly, you're going to win a free t-shirt and an entry into the raffle for the Royal Toe Air Jordan 1s. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please make sure you guys hit that thumbs up. That does help the channel grow. Also, make sure you guys join the More family and hit that subscribe button. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.